to talk about how to create a network and codes program for AC drive. You remember the previous lesson was talking how to add PLC and communicate it with AC drive. You see, remember this drive and this PLC and communicate them by Profinet. You remember we connected them by Profinet and explained to you some information about Ethernet address and some setting here, configuration setting. Now we need to talk about how to send and receive the signals between PLC and AC drive and reverse and vice versa, I can say. See here, send this this is the input. This send from drive to PLC and receive from PLC to AC drive. See here, it's meaning input 256. This is the address of this, and the output this. We will use this address. You know this address meaning after the meaning this byte. We have 7-bit of this, 8-bit. Sorry, 0, 0.1, 0.2 till point up to 0.7. And about the receive, I mean the output, same 0.1, 0.2. I will show you. Now I have already created the code to the tags and the program network and blocks here. I already we can go scroll this down. See guys. See here, we need to our lesson today about how to create program block. See here, program block. How to create? We should add network. How to what the purpose of this network? We need to select function. When we select function, we do okay. We will create this. I already create this motor AC data. It's function. We should add this function here. We should bring this here, put it here. Okay. I already did add it here. Now we should go back to our function, sorry, to create a network. For our AC drive of Siemens, we should add this codes and function for the speed for controlling the speed of motor. See here, norm X. How to add this? By, for example, if we can add a new network here, for example, I will add a new network to show you how to. I already create this, but I need to learn how to add it. Add network. Okay, guys, press here and bring this. Okay, only norm. See this norm. When you need to add scale, this norm function, norm X and scale X function is important for AC drive. And how to add X scale X. Now we should explain about them. We can get back. Yeah, guys. Now this norm, it's mean we should connect the input which coming from, for example, HMI coming from potentiometer. Potentiometer to this resistance controlling the speed of motor, or from HMI. which connect to value minimum and maximum. Minimum 0, the speed of motor 1500. It will give us output names at normalized speed. See here how to add this. We should, for example, if I need how to add this, how to add this, we should create a new tags. You remember how to create tags. We should go here to find the tag. This tag, see, add tag from here, and you will add tag here, for example, and name it as motor. Now it's empty without anything. If you need to rename it, rename motor, for example, and complete. I have already created one. I will show you. Already created one of them. Okay, guys, I have this one. Already created this. See here, I created this potentiometer speed integer address AI. See here, AI AW. Sorry, this AW for analog signal. Analog signal maybe 0.20 milliampere or 420 milliampere or 0.10 volt, as you like. Firstly we should complete our program, then select and sorry, we should add this data depending on the input we have. What we have, we should add it. You should know what the hardware device you used for to send this signal to input. Card module, potentiometer speed, this potentiometer speed, okay, added here, and motor speed I have already added. This already I have added. Only normalized speed, it will be like memory. See here, real. And this clearance signal. This clearance signal, I will explain about them. These signals, clearance 0 till 7. This is important for motor, for AC drive. The AC drive of Siemens have 8, we can say byte, we can say 8 bit, 8 input should we can say we should activate them always to let the AC drive running automatically when the power on it. I will show you how to do this. And we have we have a signal here, push button start motor on. You can add a lot of things, but I need to explain to you how to do that. This I already explained that how to create this data and tag data in the previous videos in my channel, YouTube channel. You can following that and see. Now we should get back to we already complete we are still explaining about this. You know this input, the speed from 0 till this physical speed of motor till 1500 rpm. Okay, this normalize this memory. We will send this speed which coming from this function to here, then use this memory data here in scale. What the purpose of this taking the signal, this function taking the signal from potentiometer speed resistance, we can say or from HMI to take this and convert it to this memory data. Okay, memory data. Then we can take this memory data speed here. What was the purpose of this scale? This scale we will convert this data depending on the speed and depending on the speed of our motor. Convert it from memory to output card module. I mean analog output module. Motor speed. This mean output analog module. A QW. IW input analog module. a QW output analog module. What this mean? I mean, in the hardware configuration, when we create the module of analog and input, if you remember in the previous videos, you will find this analog input or output, which in modules address it as IW, okay, and the output addressed as QW. Here, when we use this signal which coming from HMI, from sensor, from resistance, should convert it to memory. Then from memory, after processing, coming to change to convert to QW. I mean should convert the analog signal to digital, then from digital to analog by this function. Here, what this network? We have, as I mentioned, in the AC drive motor, we have 8 signals named as clearance, which is on the AC drive device. We should make them always on. How to do that? By connect these signals output. I mean, see, it's a Q it's mean output. Connect them by memory 0.0, normally open and normally close, to make them we can say on always, all the time. See here? Then you see here the network. For our motor to start to running, we should press push button. When we press this push button, the motor will be on. Then the speed of this motor, the speed of this controller, I mean AC drive, which connect to motor, which control the speed, will start to control it by this signal, depending on this potentiometer or data which coming from HMI. I see everything now, it's clear. Now after that you can do save it, you can save it, then download. If you have program, if you have hardware device, do download, then monitoring by going monitor them and see your network or your program block is okay or not by monitoring this by online simulation, then online. Now everything is done. I complete my lesson today. Thank you for your following, and I hope everything is easy with you and clear. If you have any question or anything, don't hesitate to ask me or call me or send me a message or a comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.